Have you ever wondered how we hear? Let's talk about it. Sound enters our ears as vibrations traveling through the outer ear. So that's going to be traveling down the ear canal, which is then going to end with the eardrum. The eardrum itself is then connected to three tiny bones called ossicles. So that's the malleus incus stapes, or the hammer, anvil, and stirrup, maybe what you heard in health class long ago. They're teeny tiny little bones, the smallest ones in our body. Those bones are going to then amplify the sound and send it to our inner ear. The inner ear is called the cochlea. Looks like a little snail-shaped place. And that's going to have where our hair cells are. Those vibrations are then turned into electrical signals, which create the impulse that sends that sound to our brain through our auditory nerve, also called the hearing nerve. And just like that, your brain processes those signals and you hear sound clearly. Understanding how we hear is just the start. Visit our website or follow us on social media to learn more about your hearing health.